The internet has revolutionized how we share and consume visual content. Photography, once limited to print and physical galleries, now thrives in the digital space. Millions of images are uploaded daily, creating vast opportunities for photographers to monetize their passion. The online world offers numerous avenues to turn your photography hobby into a source of income. The internet has democratized the industry, allowing photographers to connect directly with their audience and clients. This guide will explore the various ways you can make money with photography online. From stock photography to leveraging social media and brand collaborations, we'll equip you with the knowledge to navigate this exciting landscape. iStock has long been a popular platform for selling stock photos, but the market has expanded significantly. Numerous alternatives offer competitive royalty rates and diverse image libraries. Shutterstock. With over 300 million images, Shutterstock is a go-to platform for many buyers. They offer various subscription plans and on-demand purchases, catering to different budgets. Photographers can earn up to 38% in royalties based on their earnings tier. Adobe Stock. Integrated with Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, Adobe Stock is convenient for users within the Adobe ecosystem. They offer competitive royalty rates and a curated collection of high-quality images and videos. Researching and comparing different options is crucial to find the best fit for your photography style and business goals. The world of online photography is brimming with inspiring success stories. These photographers leverage a combination of platforms, marketing strategies, and unique approaches to stand out. For example, a landscape photographer built a substantial following on Instagram by sharing stunning travel images. They monetized their account through print sales, workshops, and collaborations with travel brands. Passion, combined with strategic planning and consistent effort, can lead to remarkable achievements in this dynamic field. Mastering stock photography. Tips and best practices. Stock photography can be lucrative, but it requires understanding market trends and best practices. Focus on quality and relevance. High-resolution, well-composed images are essential. Research current trends to create images that align with popular themes. Keywords are key. Use descriptive terms that accurately reflect the subject and style of your photographs. Diversify your portfolio. Offer a wide range of images covering various subjects and styles. This increases your chances of attracting a broader audience and generating more sales. Consistency and quality are key to building a successful stock photography portfolio. Social media, your portfolio and marketing tool. Social media is non-negotiable for any photographer looking to make money online. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are powerful marketing tools to reach a wider audience. Showcase your best work. Curate your feed to reflect your style and expertise. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, host Q&A sessions, and run contests. Utilize relevant hashtags. Research and use industry-specific and trending hashtags. Create a branded hashtag to categorize your content and make it easily searchable. Consistency, engagement, and high-quality content are key to building a successful social media presence. Brand collaborations, expanding your reach. Collaborating with brands can be a lucrative way to monetize your photography skills. Identify potential partners. Research brands that resonate with your style and target audience. Craft a compelling pitch. Reach out to potential partners with a personalized pitch. Include your portfolio and social media statistics to showcase your work. Negotiate a fair agreement. Be clear about your rates, deliverables, and usage rights. Brand collaborations can range from sponsored social media posts to product photography. Establishing yourself as a reliable photographer can attract lucrative partnerships and new opportunities.